Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a controller on iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, put your compatible controller into its pairing mode, usually by holding down a specific button combination for a few seconds. Once it appears in your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, simply tap to connect. This initial step is quick and gets you ready for the next part of our guide. Now that your controller is connected, open PUBG Mobile and head into the game's settings. Look for the Controls or Controller section, which is usually found under the Main Settings tab. Here, you can adjust the sensitivity and customize your button layouts. Take a few minutes to set up your preferred configuration for movement, shooting, and other actions, ensuring a comfortable and efficient gameplay experience. To truly master playing with a controller, spend some time in the training ground. This allows you to get a feel for the new controls without the pressure of a live match. Fine-tune your sensitivity settings to achieve precise aiming, which is crucial for those long-range shots. Don't be afraid to experiment with different button mappings until you find a setup that feels natural and gives you a competitive edge. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your controller is fully charged. Sometimes, a low battery can cause connection problems. Also, regularly check for updates to both PUBG Mobile and your controller's firmware, as these often include performance improvements. For an even better experience, consider using a phone mount to attach your iPhone directly to the controller, providing a more ergonomic and immersive setup for hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.